Hey, come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Respect me and I'll never leave your side, babe. You know I'm gifted when it comes to having loyalty. But don't get it.
Hello there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I created this flower power Instagram makeup. I saw two makeup pictures on Instagram, and I kind of tried to combine both looks, and this is what I came up with. I really like how this turned out. I'm going to try to take some cute pictures for my Instagram if you want to follow me there. This is my Instagram right here. And yeah, it took me like 6 hours, I'm not gonna lie, but I really like how this turned out. So please subscribe if you are not subscribed. Hit the red button and also ring the bell to get post notification every single time I'm posting a new video. And yeah, let's jump into this video. I hope it's a short one. I didn't show you what makeup I applied on my face, but very basic. I did very basic makeup for my face because, as I said, it took me like 6 hours to do this. Flowers on my eyes. Anyway, let's jump into the video. Alright, first I'm going to prep my lids for the eyeshadows, and I'm going to use again the Huda Beauty Orange Obsessions. Honestly, I don't want summer to end, but here we are. I guess that's why I created this colorful makeup look. Anyway, so I'm going to take this color and I'm going to apply it all over my lids, but mainly I want to focus the pigments in my inner corner, and then I'm going to fade it out through the outer corner. And then I'm going to take again my concealer and I'm going to perfect that so it looks more like a inverse cut crease, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia eye primer and I'm going to draw where I want the flower to be, and then I'm going to go with the color to fill that in. As we can see, I started with the center of the flower, and that's more like a guide for me, like where I want to place the petals, and I tried to make them as even as possible to be, you know, kinda identical with my other eye. I tried, they are not identical. So I'm going to draw the petals, then I'm going to fill them in with the same eye primer, and then I'm going to go with the color to color them. So basically this is what I'm doing during the entire video, but I'm going to be here rambling. And also, as we can see, I'm using very tiny small precise brushes because I want to be precise. Wow. And I took my time to blend those two colors together to make them look as blended and as buffed into one another, to make them look like they melt into one another, if that makes sense. In my opinion, they look pretty blended. So this is what I'm going to do for the rest of the petals. Just be patient, take your time, and you can do this too. Trust me, you can do it. I know it doesn't look cute right now, but I'm going to take the white concealer and I'm going to define the flower again. I'm going to define the center, the petals. Just trust the process and everything will come together, okay? Trust me. Okay, so now that we have the flower defined again, next I'm going to play with shadows and details. The more details and shadows you add, the better it will look, trust me. So as you can see, I'm creating some random lines, and then I'm going to take the brush that I applied the color and buff them because I don't want to be very intense. So as I said, I'm creating shadows, details. With this brown shade, I'm going to add more shadows. As I said, play with the details, with the shadows. This will make it look a little bit more defined. And to make this look even more defined, I'm taking this black eyeliner and a very small precise brush, and I'm going to define the petals, add more shadows. As I said, everything is in the small details, trust me. And this is the fun part. I created a cat crease with rhinestones or fake diamonds. It looks more like a cat eye cat crease kind of situation. I really like how this turned out. I struggled a lot with these little diamonds, but I made it. In the inner corner, I'm going to go with this color right here. I'm not very happy. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess that's how my brain worked that day. I'm not very happy with the inner corner situation, but yeah, I applied some shimmer on top to make it look more shimmery, I guess. For my waterline, I went with this orange pencil, and off camera I applied my Wispies from Ardell and a little bit of mascara, and then I'm going to add more diamonds because we love diamonds. And to complete this look, first I'm going to line my lips. I already lined them off camera. And next I'm going to add a lip gloss because I feel like it's very appropriate for this makeup look, right? Alright, and this is the finished look. I have to say that I am so impressed with myself. Like, I draw some freaking flowers on my lids. I'm impressed. Oh my god, I never thought I can do this, like details. Anyway, as I said in the intro, yes, it took me like 6 hours to do both eyes, also the filming. I was doing like a mini TikTok video. I kind of forgot to film, like, you know, the process. It's okay, but yeah, as I said, I'm very impressed with how this turned out. Let me know down below, what do you think? I think this is so Instagram makeup, like, yeah. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. it.